In this session, we are going to take a look at what a business analyst might do on a typical project. Some of the activities, some of the skills and techniques that they will apply, and how they might work with the project team and business stakeholders. You've already seen what business analysis is and what skills might be needed. This session will give you more insight into how these might apply in practice and what you might be doing as a business analyst day to day on a project. Also, what a great job it can be, varied and interesting and different every day. So I'll be demonstrating what this definition of business analysis means for you in practice. Imagine that you are part of a project team working at any town college, and the project is to develop and implement a new college administration and learning management system. The broad aim is to automate course and student administration as far as possible and improve the student experience. This will include implementing a learning management system, or LMS. The project is at the early requirements analysis stage, and as a business analyst, you will be involved in the activities shown here: fact-finding, analysis of stakeholders and business processes, identifying and specifying requirements, and some prototyping. Most projects are organised as you can see here, with a management team, a development team which will include the business analysts, and a stakeholder group to provide input on business requirements. A typical day might start with a project team meeting, with you, the business analyst, sitting down with other members of the project team to look at current progress, the status of the project against budget, risk and schedule, any problems and issues, and looking ahead to the next steps. One of the activities a business analyst will be involved in is stakeholder analysis. Here you can see an initial analysis that identifies the business stakeholders, the people within the college who will be affected by the project, and some of the external stakeholders. This now needs to be reviewed and updated as needed to ensure that it reflects the real project situation. One good way of validating any project document is through a workshop, a collaborative exercise where members of the project team and some of the stakeholders get together to collaborate to check, validate, update and agree a given document. So that's what you might do next. As you saw, the results of a workshop are often recorded using post-it notes because they're visible to all and can be moved around and discussed. But the business analyst will then very often pull all that together into some sort of diagram. For example, in terms of the stakeholders, they might draw up a mind map like the one that you can see here. Business analysts are also often involved in a key activity on any project, prioritisation. So in this case, you might go on to try to identify the key stakeholders for the project and show them on the diagram.